Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A50 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. At first you have to open list of all apps, then go to the settings. Now pick biometrics and security and go to fingerprints. Now you have to set some backup for your fingerprint. It can be pin code, pattern or the password. Tap on continue to do it. Let me pick pattern. It will be this one. Tap on continue. You just have to remember this pattern because if you will forget it, you will need to reset your phone and all data will be erased. So it's worth to remember it. Tap on confirm. And now it's time to set the fingerprint. So here is the sensor and you have to press your finger on the sensor, then leave it off when the percentage goes up. So as you can see, we have to move our finger a bit. We are almost done. Okay, so we've got a full scan. Continue. Just 20% more. Just some finish edges. And that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. You can add another one, but I will leave just this one, agree with all the info, and then as you can see, we'll be able to unlock your device by using this fingerprint. So let me do it this way. You can either draw the pattern that you set or simply click over here to unlock your device. So that's it. This is how you can add a fingerprint to your device. You can do it whenever you want to, and it's the best way to protect your Samsung Galaxy A50. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.